guys, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, my name is Hannah. My room is super messy. My mom's gonna be very disappointed in me because it's been like finals week and I've been so busy I haven't had time to clean anything, and it's a pit. And I did laundry, but I didn't have time to fold the laundry, so now it's in a big pile on my floor and it's really gross. But it's getting clean today, so I'm going to show my mom that, you know, there is hope for me, because it's only been messy for like the last 3 to 5 days, so kind of bad, but it's still gonna get clean today. It's gonna look amazing after, so watch this.
Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the hope chasing me through the air. You loved like you didn't care.
It's snowing, it's blizzarding, like it's blizzarding outside. This is crazy. It never really snows in Texas ever, since I've been here at least. It's snowing, it's blizzarding! Like there's snow everywhere, and it's not just like ice over like thin snow or the snow that doesn't pack. It's like legit snow, like the snow that I'm used to from Chicago, and it's crazy because we weren't expecting it. Like no one knew it was coming, and we're just gonna go outside and have so much fun and play in the snow with all our friends. So snow's coming like
snow is about to fall.
marshmallows for hot chocolate, eggs to make the cookies, eggs, cookies, marshmallows for hot chocolate. Best roomie ever!
Today's Tuesday and I have a final in calculus, but my really close friend from Chicago, Megan Stack, is coming in today, and I get to meet her at a coffee shop in Waco, like in between College Station and Dallas, where she's staying because she's staying with my family, which is, yeah, I can't talk. She's staying with my family in Dallas, but we're meeting in Waco because that's in between College Station and Dallas, and we're meeting in the morning so that I can be back in time for my final. I know that's like super irresponsible, meeting them in Waco before my final, but I've been studying for a while and I feel like I'll be okay. You know what, calculus is just kind of wrecking me, so at this point I'm kind of accepting the B I might get in calculus. I don't know, I'm just figuring that out. I'm super excited to see her. Definitely worth the trip to Waco. It's gonna be like an hour and a half drive. We're meeting at Cafe Cappuccino. I've never been there before, but I'm going to get a latte because I heard their lattes are really, really good. Yeah, it's gonna be really fun, and then I get to take my final, but then I'm done with school, you know? First semester of junior year is about to be done. Very excited about that. We're getting somewhere, and then next we go to Mexico, so yeah. But Megan, I love you. I'm super excited to see you, and it's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be a grand old time. Oh, you look beautiful. I get to see Megan and I'm so happy.
Hello there. How are you?
I got a, what is this? It's a white chocolate vanilla hazelnut latte, and I'm really excited because it looks amazing. And then we all got coffee.
Real placement.
What is this?
A guacamole mozzarella egg omelet.
Guacamole mozzarella egg omelet with your accent. Ooh, Midwest girls.
You
Chicago
haven't been in
girls.
Texas that long.
Oh, I
You
love
have an
it.
accent.
You do. The more you talk, I'm hearing it.
I think you caught on to how I say coffee.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we got chocolate chip pancake, blueberry.
Oh, wow.
What is this, Mom? Bacon, hash browns, egg. You got everything, the works. And my latte. I'm just happy. Yay.
Hello people, sorry I didn't make an appearance on this past video. We're very excited to announce something though. We're gonna do what the YouTubes are calling Vlogmas. So we have
YouTubers.
the YouTubes. It's like, we're doing 12 days of Vlogmas. We're doing a Vlogmas! We're doing a Vlogmas! A Vlogmas! As of today, we're gonna release a video, this video that you're watching right now.
As day one.
Is day one, because in 12 days is Christmas. And we'll be in, well, you'll have to find out where we'll be.
We have a surprise trip coming up, and you guys don't know where we're gonna go?
That's a hint.
You guys don't know where we're gonna
Was that,
go?
was that?
I guess kind of. But it's a surprise, and we're taking a really big trip, and you guys are gonna go right along with us because we're doing a video every single day until Christmas.
Doing this next 12 days, because the 12th day will be Christmas Day, right? Is that
Yes.
how it works?
12 days.
So we have
none
12
of
days.
giveaways
12.
of Vlogmas.
We're not there yet, people. Maybe one day. Y'all should subscribe. If you want to have giveaways, people, listen. If you want giveaways, smash the like button and subscribe and comment and do all that stuff, because that will help us. We're going on a trip, so you'll see where we'll be on Christmas Day. Typically, you think snow and hot chocolate. No, man! No! We're not gonna tell you. We're gonna show you later. We're going to Mexico.
Tune in to the rest of our Vlogmas, whatever. Tune in for the rest of our Vlogmas to find out where we're going on our trip.
Listen, something's been heavy on my heart. I've been seeing another woman. It's Andy&Han. It's now Pam and Andy. I met a Pam. Like the, I met a girl named Pam.
Okay.
Oh, she just got pranked! Speaking of, do you want to see pranks?
Oh.
No, I don't want to start a prank war, because then she goes all out. She would try so hard to like prank me, but it wouldn't be funny. It would actually like either hurt me, like physical hurt, or like she wouldn't know her boundaries, and that's the issue. Is like, that's why I don't want to start it with her.
Lines are meant to be crossed.
No, they're not. Like and subscribe this last video. We had a lot of fun. Didn't make an appearance.
But that's okay.
That's okay. Subscribe, please. It helps. It just makes us want to keep making YouTube videos. That's what we want to do. So subscribe. It gives us motivation. keeps us going. Like and comment if you want to see anything. We do read y'all's comments. We don't get very many, so we do read them. So we do consider y'all's comments.
Peace out.
I love you guys. Bye. I love you.